That's the real tea, bitch. Okay. Welcome back to Cashin TV. I'm Cashin, of course. And today's video is going to be a Telfar bag review. I be wanting to say Teflar. I don't know why. I don't think I know what Teflar is. It's just something I've heard before. Is that a rapper name, like Teflar and the Dawn? It's an unboxing, it's a review, it's a first impressions or third impressions or whatever you want to call it. I'm a part of the Telfar bag family. I love my bags so much. Oh, excuse me. Telfar bags to me are very, very simplistic, and I like that. I like the colors, I like the shape, I like the little subtle but, you know, out there design of it. It's lit, it slaps. So I love that. So I came across Telfar because my friend Brian had a Telfar bag. Brian, that my friend Brian, you know, he's not one of my really close friends, but it's how I met Brian for rent. He had a Telfar bag, and I was like, oh, that's a nice bag. He was telling me like, oh, it's black owned, it's Telfar. So ever since then, I've been hip. That's maybe like almost a year ago, I want to say. So after that, the bags were never in stock, but I didn't want any of the colors they had at the time. They came out with a pink one, I think around my birthday, and I was like, oh, bet I need to grab that. And I couldn't get it in time because it was selling out. So I got a gray one first, then I got my pink one, then I got the one that I have now, which I'm going to unbox with you guys. I'm going to do the unboxing very last. When you go on Telfar's website, it says Telfar is a unisex line, EST, in 2005 in New York by Telfar Clemens and is sold internationally. It is not for you, it's for everyone. I know that, like, I was reading different articles. Like, they have an article in Complex about, like, them fighting the bots and all that stuff. So I was reading the articles, and it was, like, very short, very sweet. Like, basically just saying, like, we're gonna figure out how to rip this. Like, y'all, like, I guess, like, they was not putting emphasis on everything that was going on. They were just like, we're here to sell the bags. Like, that's really it. That's it. I just came here to sell these bags. That's it. Even though they do sell clothes, they're most famous for the bags and, you know, the style, the shape, all those good things. It was very crazy to me that once Telfar got popular, people was like, I'm not doing all this for a $150 bag. That's too much. That's not even that. It's vegan leather at that. Da, 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 da. Basically saying, like, it doesn't hold up. It's not worth the money, whatever the case may be. To you. Like, I love these bags. I haven't had any problems with my bags. Nothing tore, nothing ripped, nothing. The wear is fine on them. And then my friend also has had his bag forever, and the wear and tear is like little to none. Let's get into the first Telfar bag. So the first one is my gray baby. They come like in a box. You'll see how, but they come with these like dust bags. I try to keep all my stuff in dust bags, my shoe boxes and boxes. I'm real picky about that. So yeah, I've worn this one like 3 or 4 times now. This is like my first, and I don't know if it's my favorite. The mini bags are my favorite like size though, because I just feel like it's so cute. Some people were complaining like, oh, you can't put much in here, but what more do you need on date night? Like, I got a tooth like flossing in here because I always floss my teeth after I eat. But yeah, like I put like my wallet, my lip gloss, my keys, my sanitizer, my inhaler, and like some gum in this bag, and I'll be good. Like, I don't know what else y'all need. Like, I feel like this is like a not an all day everyday bag. It's like a you going out real quick, I'll be right back type of bag. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't need to put your whole world in this one. The only thing I don't like about Telfar bags, I'm gonna say something I don't like, is that the straps aren't detachable, and they're like mad long. Like, you can't even, I'm turning this way. Yeah, they're mad long. So like, I put it on like as a crossbody, or I could put it on like I was around like my arm. But I just wish that these were detachable, because this is so cute, but like the strings are hanging, and you can't really tuck the strings inside the bag because then you'll have no room for anything. So I do wish that Telfar would make the straps detachable. That's my only suggestion. It's not even a complaint. It's a suggestion. I decided that I want to get Telfar bags in every single size, and then I'm done with it. Well, I'm thinking every color that I want in every single size. So I got about 2 more colors and 1 more size. So I'll probably get another mini and then get a large in one of the other colors. So this is my medium bubblegum baby. This is my pink one. She's actually bigger than my head. She's super cute. Like, this is like the, I love that I can feel this, but it's like subtle. Like, girl. I think y'all can see my edges, but girl, I like this one a lot. Compared to this one, as far as the size, I'm gonna hold this one and the other one up next to each other, but compare, like, for size range, you can put like a laptop in here, a book, food. Like, you can, this is like an everyday bag. I feel this is a bigger everyday bag. You know, we still got the long straps and the 2 right here that are short. And I like this one because, which I wish the other one had, but it probably doesn't have any room for it. It has a whole humongous pocket. You see the pocket? And I also like that it has like the, oh no, like that it has like the emblem. My other one's on the floor. In the inside, and then the pocket is right here. And the pocket is so big, like so big. But yeah, this is how the inside of that one looks. It's way more spacious than the mini one. But I like this one because I really can put everything in it. Oh, no, I just got my lip gloss on it. Girl. Anyways, but yeah, I like this one because of the size of it. I kind of like, I'm a bag girl. Like, if I don't buy anything from a brand, I will buy a bag in a heartbeat. Like a tote bag, a canvas bag, any kind of bag, I will buy it. So last but not least, we have another one. So I buy myself Telfar bags rewards for me hitting my goals, and I hit 2 goals. And so I bought the pink ones, and I bought this new baby. You know, my address is on there, so I can't do the most. But you know, this is how it comes in like a box, you know, regular simple shipping box. And I never know what it is because it just doesn't look like it's a bag in here. So open it up. I've already opened it because a clown is who I am. Couldn't wait. So when you open it up, it comes like this. This is new because my pink bag and my other bag did not have this. So it's Telfar branding, you know, in the packaging slip, and it's telling you which one you got. So I got the small pool blue shopping bag. You know, it's $150, Telfar. Yeah. So you open it up like that, and it's also right there which bag you got. Open it up. I really enjoy that the branding is on this bag and on the duster. I wish my pink bag had a duster like this. Like, I might write them and be like, can I have one of these? Because like my first 2 bags didn't get them, and I would really like them. Then you take it out. We have the newest addition to the family. She is just so cute. So cute. So cute. And this is how it comes actually. Like the straps are packaged together. You know, it's folded up like this. And then, you know, you can unfold it like that. Something on the back of my bag. And then, you know, you open it up. And the Telfar tag is right here. I keep all of my tags from my stuff, so I'm going to keep this one as well. And then, you know, same thing as the other one. Smally girly. I think I'm only going to get 2 more, though. But, yeah. This is my... I can't tell if this is my favorite color or not. I just love this one, though. There's something inside this bag, too. Oh, cardboard. It was inside the insert of the bag. So, it was like... Imagine, like, inside the bag, but right there. So, now I'm going to tell you guys, like, about the sizing. So... This is a small and this is a medium. Like, the medium can like eat 4 of the smalls. More than 4. Like, this is the sizing. So I do think it's a big jump for this to go from small to medium, and the large has to be, I know it's humongous, and I'm going to use that for a travel bag. But like, I just think this is kind of, I did think this is kind of weird. Like, the medium should either be a little smaller, the small should be a little bigger. Because, like, I feel like this is a crazy contrast in size. So, the timeline of ordering, if you were concerned, I bought my Telfar bag on July 23rd. It was shipped out on July 29th, and I got it on July the 4th. It was supposed to come that Friday. So, the Friday before, I think that's probably July 31st. It's supposed to come the 31st. But USPS literally was, like, pushing it. So... UPS, I'm sorry, kept like saying like it was out for delivery one day, then it wasn't. Then it was out for delivery again on Monday, and it wasn't. And then I got it on Tuesday randomly in the middle of the day. If you want a Telfar bag, I recommend signing up for the emails. They literally email you like this one is back in stock, and then like you go to the website, you buy it, and it literally sells out right then and there. People were telling me that they were getting emails and it was saying it was in stock, and then it wasn't in stock. I'm sorry about that, but it's nothing I can really do about that. All I would say is just be on top of the emails. Stay on top of their Instagram. They always post when they restock on Instagram too. So stay on top of that. And yeah, I love my bags. I hope you love your bags if you buy one. Continue to support black businesses, black luxury, black small brands, black streetwear, all those things. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up. All that good stuff. If you have a Telfar bag, let me know. If you want one, let me know what colors you like, what size you want, all those good things. And I'll see you guys in the next video.